Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if your Windows computer has any hardware or software related problems. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search just search for one application name as System Examiner, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see on the app up download option, just click on download. Now here you can get two download options. One is a portable version which does not require any installation, and one is a setup version. So here I'm gonna use a portable version. You can download either any one of these two. So let me download the portable version. So wait for a few seconds. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it, run this software. So now it has detected my hardware systems, and now below you can see here create report. Just click on it. Now this you can give any name if you want to give, or you can just keep it as it is and select your output folder location. So I have selected desktop. You can select any location wherever you like. So I will just click on save and for a few seconds until the complete scanning is done. So finally the scanning has been completed. Now you can just click on this open report in order to check whether there is any hardware or software related problems or not in my respective computer. So let me click on this open report. Now it will show you complete report whether any hardware or software related problems are there or not in your respective Windows computer. So in my Windows computer, let us check if I have problems or not. So it is giving complete system summary, that is the hardware informations. So finally you can see here it's showing overall system health status pass. So if you don't see a pass written here, that means not pass or any red indication, that it might show you there might be some problem, and it will give you details in the below list. So here in my case it's already mentioned here, System Examiner did not detect any hardware or software related problems from this computer. So let us check what are the details it is showing here completely. So you can see it has checked my CPU, RAM, system drive, all have passed. So let us check more informations. What are more informations they have provided below? So let us check. So they have checked everything, so related to the software also. So there is no any problems regarding my hardware and software. So using this application named as System Examiner, you can easily find out if your Windows computer has any hardware or software related problems very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.